Namaste, welcome to Sneh Yoga. So today we are going to do a yoga flow for reducing belly fat. Yes, many of us are struggling with this problem throughout the world. So first of all, we recommend that we should be doing a complete holistic practice for a complete health. But this video is regarding this specific problem. So it's not only going to reduce your belly fat, but also it is going to reduce constipation, gas, acidity, indigestion problem. It will improve your digestive fire. So when all this happens, your belly fat will naturally be reduced. Let's begin with sitting in Sukhasana. So sit in any meditative posture and keep your hands in any meditative posture, maybe in Jnana Mudra on your knees. Close your eyes, spine erect, and take 3 deep breaths. Just settle down, become aware of yourselves. And slowly open your eyes. Let's get started with the practice. So first of all, we lie down on our back. Very important that you lie down on a mattress or a mat, whatever you have, but it should not be on the ground. So lie down on a mat. Take your legs together. First practice, take your hands, interlock your fingers and place them behind your head. Now take your both legs up towards your chest. Engage your abdomen. Take your legs towards your chest as much as possible. Keep your feet active, not pointed or flexed, just active. Inhale. As you exhale, take your both legs towards the right and take your neck towards the left. Make sure your shoulders remain on the ground. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, take both your legs towards your left and your neck towards your right. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Make sure your abdomen is engaged. Inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Hold here for 3 breaths. Don't hold your breath. Inhale back to center and exhale to the left. Keep breathing. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release your legs and release your hands. Now, you can again take your hands and place it behind your head. Bend your right leg and keep your right foot over your left knee. Now slowly twist your right leg towards the left. First inhale in the center and with exhalation twist. Your neck goes towards your right. Try not to lift your shoulders. Inhale back to center. Take your right leg down. Left leg up. Keep it on your right. Keep the left feet on your right knee. Exhale. Inhale up, center. Take your leg down. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your abdomen engaged. Keep it pulled in. Inhale, exhale, and hold. For 3 breaths. Make sure the leg which is straight is not disturbed. Keep it straight. Don't bend the leg. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, release. Next practice. You can keep your hands beside your body, palms facing down. Lift your right leg up. 30 degrees above the ground. Keep your both feet active. Keep your abdomen pulled in. As you inhale, we're circling our leg. So inhaling, take your leg up. Exhaling, take it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Opposite side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and relax. Take your left leg up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your abdomen pulled in. Inhale, exhale. Opposite side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Relax. Now take your both hands up above the head. Pull your abdomen in. Inhale. As you exhale, bend your right leg. Take your hands up. Lift your chest. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg up. Exhale. Interlock your fingers. Fold your leg. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your abdomen pulled in. Inhale. Exhale. Right. Inhale. Exhale. Left. Inhale. And take your both legs up. Exhale. Come up. Come up with the core strength. Keep your shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed. Balance on the center of your back. Keep breathing here. Abdomen remains pulled in. Stay here for a few breaths. Slowly with exhalation, release your neck, release your hands, and release your legs. Relax. Take a breath or two. And now you can keep your hands beside your body, or facing the palms down. You can keep it below your lower waist or lower back, or you can keep it below the head or above. Your choice. Slowly inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale down, both feet active, at the center. Inhale up, exhale down. Abdomen pulled in. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it very slowly with coordination of breath. Inhale, exhale, left, inhale, exhale, right, inhale, and stay here. Hold for 3 breaths. Keep your abdomen pulled in, pelvic floor engaged slightly. Slowly with exhalation, release your leg. Inhale, left leg up. Breathe. The other leg, which is down, should be active. Exhale down. Relax. And from here, we slowly come to proline position or lying down on our stomach. So just roll and come on your stomach. Bend your both the knees. Hold your right ankle with your right hand, left with your left hand. Keep about shoulder level distance in your knees, but you can keep your feet a little together. Now we will lift our upper and lower body together up and then come down. Inhale, up, balance on your navel, exhale, down. Coordinate your breath with the movement. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Keep your pelvic floor engaged. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, and hold. Keep breathing. Expand your chest. Breathe long and deep here. Don't put too much pressure on your knees and don't hyperextend your elbows. Slowly with exhalation, come down. Release your legs and relax in Makarasana. Spread out your legs a little bit, shoulder level distance. Point your toes out. Take your hands over each other, holding opposite elbows with your fingers, and keep your forehead at the center. Take a breath or two here. Slowly lift your head, keep your palms beside your chest and come. Come up to sitting. Slowly come to Dandasana, where we sit with our back erect and with our legs spread forward, legs together. Stay here for a few seconds. You keep your hands beside your hips. Slowly spread your legs around shoulder distance wide. Take your hands forward, interlock your fingers, keep your spine erect. And we will make big circles as much as possible. So, as you go forward, exhale, inhale, come back as much as you can. Exhale, keep your abdomen engaged. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your spine erect throughout. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, back to center. And now opposite direction. Keep your abdomen engaged, pelvic floor engaged slightly, and rotate in opposite direction. 1, 3, inhale back, exhale forward, 4, 5, center, release and relax. Take a breath or two and again spread your legs about foot distance wide. Now you can just make a fist of your hands and we'll go like rowing a boat. Okay? So how do we row a boat? You can keep your thumbs inside or outside, whatever is comfortable for you, but keep your back straight, abdomen engaged, pelvic floor engaged and spine erect. With inhalation, come back. With exhalation, go forward as much as you can. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. 3, 4, 5, and now opposite direction. 1, exhale, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Come back to center. Get back your normal breath here. After this, let your legs remain in center. Both feet are active. Bend your right leg. Keep your right heel beside your left knee. Okay, touching the left leg. Now slowly take your right hand, place it behind your back. Just behind your tailbone, not too much back, just behind your tailbone. Your knee is right knee is facing up, should not be falling down or opposite side. Now slowly, with exhalation, twist. Take your hand and lock it on the right side of your right knee and twist as much as you can. As you inhale, try to lengthen your spine. As you exhale, try to twist as much as you can. No weight on your right hand, it is just for support. Keep your left leg active and keep breathing. If this is difficult, remove the interlock and just hold your right knee with your left hand and twist. Keep your abdomen engaged. Stay here for a few seconds. Experience the twist in your abdomen. Slowly, with exhalation, turn your neck. Release your right hand, left hand and your right leg. Now, bend your left leg. Keep your left heel beside your right knee. Your left heel is pointing up. Now slowly, place your right hand behind your back. Take your left hand and hold your right knee or just lock your elbow on the left side of your left knee and twist. Keep your abdomen engaged. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist as much as you can. Stay here wherever you are comfortable. Don't push too much. Keep breathing. Slowly exhale and come back to center, rotating your neck, releasing your hands and releasing your leg. Now get ready for Paschimottanasana. Inhale, take your hands up. As you exhale, bend from the lower back or your hips as much as you can. Exhaling, go down. Hold your big toes with your thumb and your index and middle finger. As you inhale, try to lengthen your spine. As you exhale, try to go down more. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go down more as much as you can. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go down more. Stay here for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Do as per capacity. If you are here also, it is okay. But don't try to overstretch. And don't leave the abdomen because it will put pressure on your lower back. Breathe. Wherever you are, stay there and breathe. Exhale. With inhalation, come up and exhale. We'll do it one more time. Inhale, take your hands up. Engage your abdomen, engage your pelvic floor, both legs are active. Exhale, slowly bend forward with your spine erect, hold your big toes. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, try to go down. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, go down. Bend slowly with your comfort. Keep the inhaling and exhaling continuously. Don't hold your breath. Keep your abdomen pulled in. And stay there. Wherever you are comfortable. And breathe. Few seconds. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Back to Dandasana. Now bend your legs slightly, not too much. Engage your abdomen. Inhale. Keep your spine erect. As you exhale, lift your legs up so that your calves are parallel to the ground. Take your hands forward, palms facing each other, fingers spread, feet active, and keep breathing long and deep. If this is comfortable, you can straighten your legs. So your toes and your head should be in line. No need to lock your knees, just keep them straight. Stay here for a while. Feel the pressure on your abdomen. Slowly, with exhalation, release your legs, release your hands. We'll practice it one more time. Inhale. As you exhale, take your hands up and your legs. Head and toes in line. If this is difficult, just bend your knees so that your calves are parallel to the ground and stay here. Keep your spine erect. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. Slowly with exhalation, come down. And back to Dandasana. From here, bend your knees and come up on your feet. So, your feet are about hip level distance apart. Now take your hands from inside, place your fingers below at the center of the sole, and your thumb, place it above. Okay. From this posture, I'll just turn around. Inhale. Try to push your knees apart with your elbows. As you exhale, straighten your legs. No need to lock your knees and bend down. Bend from your hips. Keep your abdomen engaged. Inhale slowly down. Exhale up. Keep your abdomen engaged. Inhale slowly down. Exhale up. Inhale. down, exhale up. If you have knee problems, don't practice this. Stay here, keep breathing for a few seconds and slowly release your hands and come. Exhale. Going to the standing postures. Come to the left edge of your mat. Stand in Tadasana. Your legs, feet are together. And inhale. With exhalation, take your right leg out and spread your hands. Now your both heels are in line, not forward and back. Make sure that the distance between the legs is correct. Make sure that your wrists or your ankles are below your wrists and your hands are not going behind. They remain in line with your shoulder. Feet are parallel to each other and toes pointing forward. Now slowly lift your right toes and turn it out 90 degree. And left foot inside 30 to 40 degree. 30 to 45 degree. Your body is facing forward. Hips are squared, abdomen engaged, pelvic floor engaged. Slowly turn your palms forward and bend to the right. Make sure your hands are in line and your upper body is facing forward. Slowly, if this is comfortable, you can look up to your left thumb. Stay here, keep breathing for a few seconds. Weight is equally shared on both your legs. Slowly with inhalation back to center. Turn your feet forward. Now turn your left foot out and right foot in 45 degrees. Left foot is 90 degree out. Slowly with exhalation, maintaining your engagements, bend to your left from the waist. Hips are squared. Don't change the alignment of your hands. Just try to bend from the waist. Our aim is not touching the ground but to get the right alignment. Slowly look up to your right thumb if comfortable, otherwise you can just keep looking forward. Stay here and breathe for a few seconds. With inhalation, slowly come up. Turn your feet forward. Bend your knees and with exhalation back to Tadasana. Now again, inhale. As you exhale, spread your legs. Spread your hands out. Take proper distance. Turn your right foot out 90 degree, left foot in. And slowly turn your upper body towards the right. Square your hips and slowly place your left hand in front of your right foot, fingers spread. If keeping your palm is not possible, just cup your hands and place the tips of your fingers on the ground. Twist your upper body back and you keep looking forward. That is comfortable. You can look up to your right thumb. Weight equally shared on both the legs. Stay there for a few breaths, few seconds. Slowly inhale back to center and exhale. Repeat on your left side. Left foot out 90 degree, right foot in 30 to 45 degree. Slowly turn your upper body to the left, square your hips and you can go down, cup your hands or place your palms on the ground and twist. Do it as per your capacity. Don't overstretch or overdo. Stay here for a few breaths. Experience the twist. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, bend your knees and back to Tadasana. Now you can come back to the center of the mat. Stand in Tadasana. Take 1 or 2 breaths here. Now slowly take your right hand up. Stretch it up nicely. Exhale and bend on your left side. Go to the side, not forward or back. Keep your left hand loose. And your right arm is touching your right ear. Stay there. Take a few deep breaths here. Abdomen engaged. Keep your knees soft. Experience the strain or stretch in your right side and contraction on your left. Slowly with inhalation, come up. Exhalation, release your right hand. Inhale, take your left hand up. Exhale, bend to your right. Right hand is loose, left hand is straight. Fingers are spread and my left ear is touching my left arm. Experience the stretching on your left side and contraction on your right side. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Stay here for a few seconds. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, release. Very good. And now slowly come to sitting. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep your hands on your knees. Relax your hands, or you can place it in Jnana Mudra on your knees. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. Get your normal breath back. Relax your facial muscles. Have a gentle smile on your face. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this flow. To benefit from this yoga flow, practice it consistently. You can practice it with the video as it is with the counts and guidelines. And with practice, you can gradually increase the number of counts and the number of seconds for the hold. Depends on your capacity. Work according to your capacity. Don't overstretch or overdo. You'll definitely reach your goal if you practice it within your capacity. See you next time. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay safe. Namaste.